Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the place bounce effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select background and I'm going to select the overlay. So I'm just going to click on the overlay and remove the background. Just click cut out and select chroma key, color picker, select color that you want to remove just for the option. So I'm going to resize and change body position. So I'm going to add effect and select the nightclub. You can find the place bounce, but it is for effect. Just add a track. Can adjust for the duration and the same length with the video with the other clip. So you can see. But I want to apply the place bounce effect to overlay only. So just select the overlay and the bike, right click and select compound clip. You can see the final result. So the effect only apply to the overlay without the background. Alright, so but this is a pro effect. You can join pro first to be able to use this effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.